Hello student, I am Enes Thamboli sir, your automobile engineering subject teacher. In previous lecture, we studied about the history of the automobile and types of the automobiles in lecture 1 number 1. In lecture number 2, we start today. In this lecture, we studied about the chassis material and type of the automobile bodies. First, we discuss about chassis. Chassis is French term and was initially used to denote the frame or main structure of the vehicle. The term chassis is now extensively used to denote the complete vehicle except body. For the heavy vehicle, separate body. On that chassis, the various type of the automobile parts are fitted. Component of the chassis. Chassis contain the following components. First, frame. Second, front axles. Third, rear axle. Fourth, steering system. 5, suspension system. 6, engine system. Through the engine, the power is transmitted to the vehicle's wheel. Braking system. Braking system consists of various types of the brake mechanism, and with the help of the braking system we can control the vehicle speed. All these components are fitted on the chassis, and with the help of this component we can drive the vehicle safely on the road. Further, classification of the chassis. Chassis are classified according to the several factors. First, we study according to its control. In conventional chassis, the whole engine is mounted in front of driver cabin. For example, pickup. When we see pickup, in that pickup, the engine is take place in front of the driver cabin. Also, we can show in figure. Second, semi-forward chassis. In semi-forward chassis, the some portion of the engine take place in the driver cabin. Third, full forward chassis. In the full forward chassis, the engine is take place below the driver cabin, and remaining space of the automobile is used for the carrying the passenger or the good. Next, according to the fitting of the engine, the chassis also classified as first one, engine at front. Second, engine fitted in front but crosswise. Engine fitting, that means engine is fitted in horizontally, perpendicular to the propeller shaft. Third, engine fitted at the center of the chassis. Fourth, engine fitted at back. Then, chassis also classified according to the number of the wheels fitted in vehicle and the number of driving wheels. First, 4x2 drive chassis vehicle. In that, the vehicle have the 4 wheels and the motion of the power of engine is transferred to the 2 wheels. Second, 4x4 drive chassis vehicle. In that chassis vehicle, the vehicle have 4 wheel and power transmitted to the all that 4 wheel. That is means this vehicle is all-wheel drive. Okay. Third, 6 into 2 drive chassis vehicle. In that vehicle, the vehicle have 6 wheel and power of engine is transmitted to the 2 wheels. For 6 into 4 drive chassis vehicle, this vehicle have 6 wheel and power of engine is transmitted to the 4 wheels of the vehicle. Next, the material used for the chassis. Mostly the steel material used for the chassis. Steel used for pressed frame are mild sheet steel, carbon sheet steel, nickel alloy sheet steel. Composition of nickel alloy steel. The nickel alloy steel contain carbon 0.25 to 0.35%, manganese 0.35 to 0.75%, silicon 0.3%, nickel 3%, phosphorus 0.05%, sulfur 0.5%. The steel absorb the impact energy in crash situation. So mostly we see the automobile which is built from the steel material. Second material used in the chassis is aluminum. Aluminum is resistance to corrosion. Aluminum alloy called alpax is also used as a frame material. Then next point is type of the vehicle body. There are various type of the vehicle we can see on the road. First, we talk about the car bodies. In the car bodies, there are two types of the car bodies. First, closed car and second, opened car. First, we tell about closed car. In this closed car, first one is salon car. Salon car also called as the sedan car. A salon car is the one of the most famous and common body style of the modern car. Salon car come with the separate bonnet covering with the engine in the front and separate boot for luggage at the rear. Salon car has fixed roof that is full height up to the rear window. Example of the salon car is Honda City. Next closed car is limousine. This type car is very long, have 6-seater or large compartment. Driving compartment is separate from passenger or luggage compartment. Third is cup car. Cup car is car body style which are often sportly variant of salon or hatchback body style with the door generally reduced from 4 to 2. It is advanced modification of hatchback of sedan car. For example, BMW M8 or Mercedes-Benz GLC. Fifth, hatchback. In hatchback car, designed with rear door that swing upward to access to cargo area. Fold down the second row seating where the interior can be flexible, reconfirmed to prioritize passenger or cargo volume. For example, Swift Desire, the example of the hatchback car. Fastback. Next type of the closed vehicle is closed car is fastback. Fastback is a modification of sedan car. In that, roof slope down at smooth angle to the tail of the car. No separate door at the rear. For example, Hyundai Grand i8. Second type of the car is open car. In that open car, two types we study. First one is sport car. The sports car is a relatively small car and have high performance engine and excellent handling. Second, convertible. In convertible car, the roof in this of spot folding type and roof is made of plastic and aluminum steel. Third type of the vehicles, what is special style. In this special style, we consider several types. First one is estate car. Estate car also called a station wagon. In that, solar salon car with the passenger roof extend up to the rear end and rear door for loading with rear seat. For example, Audi RS6. Next, sport utility car. The sport utility car is large type car and for this car have the large ground clearance. For example of Mahindra Xylo is example of the sport utility car. The sport utility car is used in hilly region and sport utility car is a modification of salon car plus sport car. Next type of the vehicles bodies is bodies for transport vehicle. First one in that van. Van is a lighter transport vehicle. In the van, the seating arrangement is for driver is place in front side and luggage arrangement luggage space is placed at the another back side of the driver. Rear door is used for the loading and unloading of the luggage. Second is truck. Truck is heavy good commercial vehicle. Third, articulated vehicle. Heavy good vehicle consists of the tractor and trailer. Tractor provide motive power and trailer carries good. Fourth, bus. Used for the carry large people for short distance. In the bus, not much place for the luggage. Fourth, coach. Coach used for the transporting the passenger over the long distance. 6. Pickup. Pickup is a modification of the van. In that, two door in front side where driver is take place and back side other end is open for the carrying various types of goods. Next, two-wheeler bodies. There are several types of the two-wheeler bodies. First one, standard bike. Standard bike also called as street bike. For example, Splendor Plus, HF Deluxe. Second, cruise. In the cruise, riding position with the handle up and foot forward with spine is quite comfortable for long distance. For example, Bajaj Avenger and Royal Enfield Bullet. Third, sport bike. Sport bike are lighter and smaller. For example, Bajaj Pulsar RS 200. Fourth, Traveler are long firing and high bodyworks bike. For example, Harley Davidson Super Low. Fifth, Sport Traveler is hybrid between sport and tourer bikes, 6 scooter and 7 moped. Moped consists lower capacity engine as 50 cc and is hybrid between bicycle and motorcycle. Here today's lecture is end. Have any doubt about that lecture and any queries, please contact me. Thank you.